Hello, friends. Welcome back to another episode of Movies and Melodies. Today, some of you might think I'm pushing it a bit, but I've got a whole bunch of songs that have been filmed around swimming pools. There are so many in Bollywood, by the way. Not all good, but there are several pretty good ones. To begin with, a classic song from Mr. and Mrs. 55. Gurudutt Madhubala in the lead. The central plot to this story is the divorce referendum of India. Madhubala plays this sort of clueless heiress who's obsessed with getting married to all the wrong people. Her aunt, she's left in the care of her militantly feminist aunt, who I adored in this. Lalita Pawar is just brilliant. And she is also instrumental in getting this divorce referendum passed. The father's will is read when this girl turns 20, and it turns out that he's left his entire fortune to his beloved daughter on the condition that she gets married within a month of her 20th birthday. The aunt has been trying to mold this girl in her own image. Sadly, doesn't work. She only wants to marry some unsuitable young man who's a tennis star, but who basically leaves her in the lurch. He's not interested in getting married. He's more interested in building his career, so he goes away. And this poor girl is left in the lurch. And there's this scene where, Gurudutt happens to be the person who gives her the note, which tells her that this man has left her and gone. And she cries. Oh my God, Madhubala has to be the only person on earth who looks stunning when she cries also. She is so perfect. She's a perfect human being. And it's such a sweet movie. Gurudutt and Madhubala have phenomenal chemistry between the two of them. He is the perfect romantic hero. Very intense, but a great sense of humor underlying that serious kind of exterior. And he's so handsome. And she, of course, like I said, is the perfect human being. Nothing she does is bad. And the supporting cast, Yasmin, Johnny Walker, and of course Lalita Pawar, outstanding. Of course, there is a bit of this whole bringing in, women should be at home looking after their husbands and children because that is where their life's purpose is. Kind of dialogues from the village living Bhabi. She spouts these dialogues, played very well by Kumkum, by the way. But it is the mid-50s, so, you sort of have to make allowances for the time and place kind of a thing. But overall, great movie, great music. Majroo Sultanpuri with O.P. Nayyar. And this song, you have plenty of girls swimming in the pool and plenty of girls cavorting around it with our gorgeous Madhubala. Geeta Dutt has sung the song from Mr. and Mrs. 55, Thandi Hawa Kali Ghata Aahi Gayi Jhoom Ke.
ठंडी हवा काल घटा आ ही गई झूम के प्यार लिए डोले हंसी नाच जिया घूम के ठंडी हवा काल घटा आ ही गई झूम के प्यार लिए डोले हंसी नाच जिया घूम के
Ek Phool Char Kaante. The Phool is Wahida Rahman, and the Char Kaante are her uncles who have come up with a series of obstacles for any young man to cross before he can attain this prize. And the young man in question is Sunil Dutt. It is a fun movie, all kinds of shenanigans where, he has to mollify all of these uncles. Johnny Walker, David Abraham, Rashid Khan, Dhumal. These are the uncles. Oh, so hilarious. So well done. It's a fun movie. If you have time to watch it, I would say watch it. It's on YouTube. The music, Shailendra and Hasrat Jaipuri writing the lyrics with Shankar Jaikishan's music. This song has been written by Hasrat Jaipuri. And the scene is really funny. Johnny Walker comes out of the pool. He's in his swimming trunks. Sunil Dutt is sitting on the side and just laughing through this whole thing. And Johnny Walker starts serenading this very pretty young lady. I have no idea who she is. Very pretty young lady. Sort of blonde kind of a girl. And she's carrying this lovely black cat with her. Why she has brought a cat to the pool, I have no idea at all. But it makes for interesting viewing. And Johnny Walker is singing to her in Muhammad Rafi's voice. So from Ek Phool Char Kante, तिरछी नजर से यूं ना देख,
तिरछी नजर से यूं ना देख, पलट पलट के यूं ना देख, मर जाए राहों में दिल वाले, ऐसी नजर से तू ना देख, तिरछी नजर से यूं ना देख, पलट पलट के यूं ना देख, मर जाए राहों में दिल वाले, ऐसी नजर से तू न देख। ओ हसीन जल परी, आँख है सुरमा भरी, चाल से बरस रही है मस्तियाँ, यूं नजर उठा न तू, ऐसे मुस्कुरा न तू, दिल पे गिर पड़ेंगी लाख बिजलियाँ, आशिकों में हम तो हैं नेक, पलट पलट के यूं न देख, मर जाए राहों में दिल वाले,
ये रास्ते हैं प्यार के came out in 1963. It was loosely based on the Nanavati case, where the naval officer killed the lover of his wife and ended up basically walking free. This has Sunil Dutt, Leela Naidu playing the married couple with Rahman playing her lover in the movie. Shashikala plays the jilted girlfriend of Rahman Saab. So this song actually, it's a party setting at the very famous and iconic Sun and Sand Hotel in Bombay. This was always used in Hindi movies, especially for pool scenes. And the setting is actually, it's very well filmed. I loved how this whole song has been filmed. Shashikala is sitting at the pool's edge and she's just sort of dipping her toe in the water, singing in this very almost dreamy, haunting way. It's like a warning to this couple that they are in danger, essentially. And Rahman and Leela Naidu are together and, meaningful glances and smiles and so on going on. And she's singing this. She's dressed beautifully in this sari, by the way, Shashikala, and she's, dreamily singing this song. Asha ji has sung the song incredibly well. Ravi Saab's music with Rajinder Krishan's lyrics from Ye Raaste Hain Pyar Ke, the title song, Ye Raaste Hain Pyar Ke, Chalna Sambhal Sambhal Ke.
ये रास्ते हैं प्यार के, चलना संभल संभल के, ये रास्ते हैं प्यार के, चलना संभल संभल के, यहाँ लूटते हैं दिल को अरमान मचल मचल के, ये रास्ते हैं प्यार के, चलना संभल संभल के। जो भी इस तरफ से गुजरा कभी लौट के न आया। जो भी इस तरफ से गुजरा कभी लौट के न आया। आया तो साथ अपने बेताबिया ही लाया, बेताबिया ही लाया। गुजरेगी उम्र सारी पहलू बदल बदल के, ये रास्ते हैं प्यार के, चलना संभल संभल के।
April Fool. This was a Biswajit Saira Banu movie, rom-com with a bit of thriller kind of thrown in. It was okay. I mean, I wouldn't recommend it for you to watch unless you're such a big Saira Banu Biswajit fan. Then go for it. Music was very good. Shankar Jaikishan with Hasrat Jaipuri's lyrics. Now, this song is very interesting in the filming of it. There is a long prelude. During the prelude, there is this amazing team of synchronized swimmers. They look like professional swimmers. They perform. And then suddenly, just as the song is about to start, you have Saira Banu popping up in the middle in a gold swimsuit, like sequins and all of that. And then she does a little bit of backstroke and so on with them. And the whole song, she's kind of swimming along beside all of these people. The song, Biswajit is singing this, and he's sort of dressed almost like a bandmaster in this. It's just, I don't know. Anyway, not my movie, so I can't comment to it, but you know. So he's on the, on land basically by the side of the pool, singing this song to her, and it appears to be some kind of a show. Why he's singing an intensely romantic song to her, I have no idea, but there you go. I mean, there's a full orchestra there as well, and he's come with them, I guess. Rafi Saab's voice. It is such a stunning song until you actually watch the movie. The song is really, really beautiful. So from April Fool, Aa Gale Lag Ja.
आ गले लग जा मेरे सपने मेरे अपने मेरे पास आ गले लग जा मेरे सपने मेरे अपने मेरे पास गले लग जा मेरे सपने मेरे अपने मेरे पास गले लग जा आबाद है तू मेरी धड़कनों में मेरी जान तुझ में बसी है बादल से जो आस है मोर को मेरे दिल को वो तुझसे लगी है एक तेरी मुस्कान अंगड़ाई लेती हुई मेरी तकदीर जागे एक तेरी झलकी चली आए पल में मेरी मंजिलें मेरे आगे गले लग जा मेरे सपने मेरे अपने मेरे पास गले लग जा मेरे सपने मेरे अपने मेरे पास आ गले लग जा.
Bhigi Raat. This movie was based on An Affair to Remember, which in turn was remade. It was a remake of another movie called Love Affair, which came out in the 1930s. This whole story of, two people who have said they will meet on a certain date, but one of them meets with an accident and is unable to keep that meeting. And then they meet years later, and there's bitterness and misunderstanding, which all, of course, in the end gets cleared. Ashok Kumar, Meena Kumari, Pradeep Kumar in the main roles. The movie really was nothing great. It was tedious, kind of mannered acting by everyone. Ashok Kumar, I think, was the only natural kind of person in this. Meena Kumari was given this incredibly weepy. Even though she was very good at tragedy, some directors ended up just making her kind of weepy, not truly tragic. And this is one of them. So I don't know, I wouldn't recommend this movie. The music was lovely. Beautiful songs. Roshan Saab with Majroo Saab writing the lyrics. Just gorgeous. And this song actually is a very playful song. Shashikala is sort of making the moves on Pradeep Kumar and she's kind of teasing him. So from Bhigi Raat, Tu Jo Mera Nahi.
तू मेरा जो नहीं फिर मुझको क्या जा कहीं पर तू और किसी का हो ये भी तो मुमकिन नहीं जा दीवाने जा कहीं पिकोला पिकोला
Piccola, 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 piccola.
अरमा था मुझको जरा होठों पे तेरी बात हो अरे अरमा था मुझको जरा होठों पे तेरी बात हो जुड़ जाए दिल दिल से हाथों में तेरा हाथ हो मगर दीवाने मुझे तू क्या जाने जोड़ भी दूं तोड़ भी दूं मैं तो ऐसी हूँ नाज़नी पर तू और किसी का हो ये भी तो मुमकिन नहीं जा दीवाने जा कहीं पिकोला पिकोला.
Insaf. This was a movie that came out in 1966. Had Dara Singh in the main kind of role. It was a very male-centric movie. The story is about this man, played by Dara Singh, whose father is a judge. He goes against his father's wishes and marries this woman. She dies in childbirth. I couldn't quite figure out why he gives up the child back to his father and he sort of disappears. And then years later, he comes back and now he is having this fight against his father and his son, who's been brought up by the grandfather, right? So has the same kind of thought process, I guess, and is against his father. Doesn't know that it's his father, by the way. So it's sort of Rustam Sohrabish in that sense. Anyway, it was one of those extremely popular Dara Singh movies that went around the B and C grade cities. Music was by Usha Khanna, with Asad Bhopali and Akhtar Romani writing the lyrics. This was by Akhtar Romani. So the scene is the son, played by Azad Irani. He's romancing his girlfriend who has jumped into this absolutely gigantic pool. And the girlfriend's role is played by an actor who's quite popular in kind of side roles and so on, called Indira. Her name was Indira, but they called her Indira Billi because she had kind of greenish eyes and looked like a cat, apparently. Oh, the prejudices. Anyway, a very, very attractive young lady. So this is a duet. Asha ji and Mukesh ji have sung it. From Insaf, ये तूने क्या कहा होगा.
ये तूने क्या कहा
कहा होगा,
ये मैंने क्या सुना
सुना होगा,
अरे ये दिल
गया होगा, ये तूने क्या कहा
होगा,
ये मैंने क्या सुना,
सुना होगा,
अरे ये दिल गया
होगा, ये तूने क्या कहा
होगा.
शम्स-ए बहार आई, जाने वफा आज तेरे साथ, प्यार ले अंगड़ाई, छाया नशा थाम मेरा हाथ,
दूर न जाना करके बहाना, मेरे सनम तू
ये तूने क्या कहा
होगा,
ये मैंने क्या सुना,
सुना होगा,
अरे ये दिल
गया होगा, ये तूने क्या कहा
होगा.
Badtameez, a Shami Kapoor Sadhana ji movie. It was loosely based on Taming of the Shrew. The chemistry between the leads is very good. They were always very good together, and she's just such a cutie. This scene, she's basically teasing him. He is in the middle of the pool, holding on to this big beach ball, sort of desperately trying to stay afloat. And she and her friends are all around the pool in their swimsuits, and they're all teasing him. Lata ji has sung this song from Badtameez. Surat hasi, लगता है दीवाना.
सूरत हंसी लगता है दीवाना, सूरत हंसी लगता है दीवाना, ऐसे नौजवान से क्या दिल का लगाना, सूरत हंसी लगता है दीवाना, सूरत हंसी लगता है दीवाना, ऐसे नौजवान से क्या दिल का लगाना, सूरत हंसी. आया कहाँ से न घर है न बार है, आया कहाँ से न घर है न बार है, अपने है ऐसा कि जैसे थानेदार है, मंजिल पे नाम कोई न ठिकाना, मंजिल पे नाम कोई न ठिकाना, ऐसे नौजवान से क्या दिल का लगाना, सूरत हंसी लगता है दीवाना, ऐसे नौजवान से क्या दिल का लगाना, सूरत हंसी.
That's it for today, folks. I hope you enjoyed the episode. I had a great time researching the songs and checking out the movies. For those of you who've subscribed to my channel, thank you. And those of you who haven't, please go to YouTube and subscribe to my channel and spread the word among your family and friends. I will be back in 2 weeks, but until then, remember, music is food for the soul. Keep listening.